You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, how to pronounce. In English, rugby union team. If you want to learn more names from rugby, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more coming up for you at the end of this video. Saracens, Saracens, stress on the first syllable. English, football, rugby team, Saracens. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.